Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bid on Goat. First, download and open the Goat app on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you don't have an account yet, tap Sign Up and enter your first name, last name, email, and a strong password. Agree to the terms and conditions, then tap Sign Up. If you already have an account, log in using your email, username, and password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main screen. Scroll through or choose a category. Example, streetwear or sneakers. Explore the available products within your chosen category. Tag on a product to see details like size, availability, condition, seller rating, and price. Swipe through listings to find your preferred item. Check for any ongoing discounts, promotions, or special deals. When ready, select the size you want. Choose to place a bid or make an offer depending on the listing type. Enter the amount you're willing to pay and follow the prompts to confirm payment details and shipping preferences. Monitor your bid status within the GOAT app and enable alerts to get notified about new listings matching your criteria. And that's it. That's how to bid on GOAT. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.